Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this BMW X5 2018 model. So any screen, you've got menu there and then communication. You've actually got a communication button there as well, so to get to it from menu, that's what you would do. Otherwise you click communication there. Now there's nothing really of interest when you're deleting a mobile. So you knock the iDrive across to the right, and there you'll see connect new telephone and manage telephones. Again, not really too clear. If you turn the iDrive, see now, I'll just turn the iDrive to manage telephones, then another menu comes up on the right hand side on the professional display anyway. Knock it across again, connect new device, known devices, Barry's iPhone. Across here, telephone, Bluetooth audio, connect device and delete device. So we want to be across on this next menu again. So we knock it across and then delete device. That's it gone. Far too complicated for deleting a mobile. Way too complicated, in my opinion. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 BMW X5. So the first thing we do is make sure that Bluetooth's on, and then we scroll down to the bottom. Over here you've either got menu where you can go to comms, menu communication, so that's communication highlighted, or if I just go back, I can't see it from here, but there's a communication button there. Click communication, nothing there. We need to be over on this, on the menu at the right hand side. So we knock the iDrive across, and there we have connect new device. Click connect new device. We're watching out for the bottom here. We want telephone, Bluetooth. I don't want apps, so we'll click telephone. We're watching out for BMW 78745. That's it, come up there. We'll click on that. Connecting to Bluetooth device, compare this number with the number displayed on the Bluetooth device, 874153 it is. So we'll click pair there and click OK there. It's checking the passkey, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. There you go, it's connected. And if I just go up here, BMW 787 connected. That's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 BMW X5. So what we need to do, the phone's paired to the vehicle. If we go over to media, you'll see there it's on FM. If I turn that down though, if I move the eye control down, I can select what I want, what music I want to play or where I want it to play from. So I want it to play from my phone, Barry's iPhone there. So that's it. If I go to music, turn this up, that's it, that's how you play music. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2018 BMW X5. So from any screen, you've got map there. If you just want to know where you're going, map, you can turn in, zoom up like so with the eye control. If you want a specific destination, then we click nav, and that's come up there, the new menu, home address, quick search, recent destinations, address input, that's what we want. So highlight address input, click on that, and down to the postcode, United Kingdom. You can actually say the address there. However, it never recognises my accent, but I'll show you the hard way to do it. So we'll click on postcode, and then, so we'll go around PR, then to more characters there. Another menu comes up at the side there, and you knock it over. I want numbers symbols. It's way complicated. 5, 4, and then it's gone back to letters, and we're E, A. So that's it, and then OK, we want OK, click OK. Want a street, no. Want to start route guidance. Start route guidance. PR54EA, that's, you can highlight any one of those options, But that's it. Click on that. OK. Start route guidance. Yes. Just wait for that to go. Are you sure you want to delete the current destination? Yes. Overwrite. Route fastest. I can change route criteria if I want, but that's not what I want to do. That's it. If you go over to the left hand side there, you can see route guidance, route, spoken instructions. So we want spoken instructions, traffic information, interactive map. But just going back to it's way too complicated. Just going back here to nav, address input, PR5. You can actually here, look, you can write, I mean, it's recognised PR5. No, you've got to do it in one movement. I mean, how do you do that? How do you do 4? It's got it. I didn't need inventing. Stupid idea. Anyway, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.